Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix headphones not detecting on Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Playing Audio. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Sound. Choose what to play sound, speakers or headphones. Choose a device for speaking or recording, headset, or microphone. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Bluetooth and Devices. Fourth method is type Advanced System Settings in Windows search bar, click Advanced System Settings. Click Hardware tab, click Device Installation Settings, click Yes, click Save Changes. Click Start, Settings, click Windows Update. Fifth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers, right-click Audio Device, click Update Driver, click Browse My Computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, click Select Model. Sixth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers, right-click Audio Device, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.